Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here at the Colorado School of Mines campus. What a great place, what a great community. Colorado School of Mines, Golden, Colorado. Let's talk about what we will do in the GEGN590 course. GEGN590. It's all about project management, specifically geospatial technology infused projects. Let's talk about what you will do in this course. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be extremely relevant to our 21st century world, and it's going to be very appropriate for your future career pathway, whether that's in government, industry, academia, or nonprofit.
Now, this course requires a GIS-based project, report, and presentation that demonstrates your competence in applying GIS to real-world problems. You'll apply GIS to a project of your own choosing in consultation with and approval by me. The report must follow the format guidelines for a professional journal paper. In addition to the project, a short set of assignments will be happening every week, readings, hands-on activities, and a short quiz to be turned in at the end of every week to help you in your project preparation and delivery. They're not just busy work to fill in. They're actually designed so that you can use what you learn in the readings and activities and quizzes to advance your project forward. Now, there's some learning outcomes of this course that I really want you to focus on. First of all, you'll work independently on an approved project proposal, develop a project plan that includes methods for conducting GIS projects using ArcGIS or other GIS of your choosing, and deliver a project report and presentation. You'll also learn effective strategies for finding geospatial data at the appropriate extent, resolution, content, and scale for your GIS project. The theme there is more data is not always better. Focus, focus, focus. Number 3, manage, symbolize, and analyze geospatial data using GIS tools. Understand the concepts of and issues surrounding GIS data quality. Interesting and important. Number 5, understand the broader societal issues surrounding GIS that will be of benefit for this project that you're working on, but also in your workplace beyond this course and even beyond this university. Copyright, location privacy, ethics, geovisualization communication. And 6th and finally, learn effective ways to communicate the results of a GIS-based project to a wide variety of constituents and stakeholders. So by the end of the course, you'll be able to use spatial analysis techniques more effectively, mathematical concepts and statistical methods on spatial data for understanding, to enhance understanding, formulate hypotheses and address problems that require geospatial analysis for their solutions, manage, analyze, manipulate, and visualize raster and vector data sets using the ArcGIS platform. But again, you can choose another GIS platform if you'd like for geospatial analysis and multi-criteria decision making. Consider ethical and societal issues surrounding GIS such as data quality, ethics, copyright, location privacy, AI, and others. Plan, create, and deliver a GIS-based project that provides spatial insight into a relevant issue. Could be local, could be global, could be somewhere in between. And number 6, effectively communicate the results of a GIS project through a project report and a presentation. In other words, it's not just to gain head knowledge. If you can't communicate why this matters to another audience, that's important, and that's a limiting thing. You've got to be able to analyze and develop your GIS skills, but you've got to be able to communicate that result to others. So those are our learning objectives and our goals for this course. I hope that's helpful. Lastly, I just want to share with you my own philosophy for instruction. I hope you know by now from interacting with this video and other videos that I am all about teaching and learning with GIS. That's actually my main research area. But my philosophies include geography and spatial thinking are relevant and essential for understanding our world. Climate, vegetation, energy, natural hazards, people, and more. With today's issues of biodiversity loss, energy, urban sprawl, climate, epidemics, crime, etc., becoming more widespread and personal also in our everyday lives, at no other time in history have we more acutely needed the transformational power of spatial thinking and geotechnologies. Number 2, we're all learning from each other. We're privileged to be in this field. Share your experiences with others. Publish in venues outside of your own comfort zone. as you move forward in your career, to let others know what you're doing. Go to a conference or other event that is outside your comfort zone. You'll meet new people and gain new perspectives and ideas. And number 3, don't use technology, geotechnology or any other technology, just for technology's sake. Use it to enhance what you're doing. And also think outside the technology box. Think outside the menus and the buttons for a holistic view of a problem or issue. The best tool is not buffering or map overlay. The best tool is this one right here, your brain. GIS and spatial technologies serve as an effective bridge between disciplines: geography, mathematics, chemistry, biology, engineering, earth science, environmental studies, and much more. Consider using GIS and spatial technologies not just for research and for learning. Okay, use it to understand your own content areas better. And number 6, be enthusiastic about what you do. People get engaged and energized when they see someone passionate about what they do. It sparks new ideas for them, and it opens up conversations that you can have with them. And number 7, don't forget about others. Helping them to shine is more important than your own agenda. And now more than ever, we need each other. So those are my 7 tenets of philosophy that I hope are helpful for you to get to know me and also realize that I am completely dedicated to helping you be successful in this course. So if there's anything I can do inside the course, or even, hey, Joseph, I want to talk to you about my career pathway or something else I'm interested in, that's what I'm here for, okay? I am completely dedicated to your success. Thanks for being with me in this course and beyond.
Glad you could join me for this course.